So you want to code HTML and CSS at faster speed. Emmet is the solution. Hello everyone and welcome to the third part of the Emmet tutorial series, Emmet cheat sheet. Here we'll discuss some of the abbreviations, and if you want to know more you can find the list in the description below. And for this Emmet tutorial series, I'm using Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and if you need to learn more about VS Code you can watch my VS based videos and find the links in the description below. Now let's go ahead. If you wanna add a link, just type A, hit enter, and you get opening and closing anchor tag. Or if you wanna add a link as well, just type A, colon, and link, hit enter, and now you can add your URL here. Then we have BR tag, and then we have HR tag for horizontal row, and this is for line break. Or you can also add link, and this abbreviation provides your rel and href with the value prompt. Or you can also use link, colon. We have got various options here. See CSS, and this gives you the default style.css href. Then you can use style for a style tag, and then you can use script for a script tag, or script colon src with script attribute with source attribute. Then we have got image with source and alt attribute. Or you can have form tag with action attribute, or you can also make use of form colon get, or you can also use form colon post. If you know PHP, you must be aware of these two methods, and if you need to learn more about PHP you can watch my PHP based videos and find the links in the description below. Then another tag, label, with for attribute, and in for input with type, name, and ID attribute, or button for button opening and closing tag, cell for select with name and ID attribute, opt for option with value attribute, OL abbreviation for ordered list, and UL abbreviation for unordered list, and then table for table tag, TR for table row, and then we have got TD for table data. So here I discussed some of the abbreviations provided by Emmet. If you want to know more tags related abbreviations, you can find the list in the description below. Now let's move to the CSS, and you can also make use of Emmet for CSS. We have got various abbreviations here, so let's take a look one by one. POS for position relative, and for static position you can type POS colon S, or for absolute POS colon A for absolute, and then POS colon R for relative, then POS colon F for fixed, simple T for top margin, and T colon A top auto, R for right, R colon A auto, B bottom, B colon A for bottom auto, L for left, and obviously L colon A for left auto. Then we have got Z for Z index. You can use FL for float left, FL colon N for float none. Likewise, FL colon L float left, FL colon R float right, or you can also make use of CL, short for clear both, and D for display block, D colon N for display none. Then we have D colon F for display flex, V for visibility hidden, V colon V for visibility visible, V colon C for visibility collapse. Then we have got margin abbreviations, M for margin and M colon A for margin auto, then MT for margin top, then MR for margin right, MB for margin bottom, ML for margin left, P for padding, PT for padding top, then PR for padding right, PB for padding bottom, PL for padding left. Then for box sizing, BXZ. Box sizing value would be border box, the default value. And then for width, W for width, and W colon A with auto, H for height, and H colon A height auto, F for font, and the default value would be 1M sans serif. Then F plus, I think F plus not working here. I don't know why, but in the documentation it is there. So let's move on. FW, font weight, default value would be normal. Then FW colon N, font weight normal. Then FW colon B for bold, FZ for font size, FF for font family serif, then FS for font style italic, FF colon SS for font family sans serif, and TA for text align left, text align C for center, and text align R for right, and then BG for background. Default value of color would be #000. BG plus, I don't think it will work. I don't know, abbreviations with plus sign not working. BG colon N, no clip. C for color, default value #000. C colon R, it also did not work. C colon R, it's also not working. C colon RA, I don't know why these guys are not working. Let's go ahead and we'll address these issues later on in some other video maybe. OP for opacity, OL for outline, OL for outline, OL colon N outline none, OLO outline offset, or OLW outline wide thin medium thick, or BD for border 1 pixel solid, and BD plus not working. Then BD colon N for border none, and then LIS for list style, LIS colon N list style none. So here we try to show you some of the abbreviations used by Emmet for HTML tags or CSS. There are a lot more, and if you need to learn more about all of these abbreviations, you can find the whole list in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.